blessed morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com, and I just have a quick tip, tool, and artisan admin technique to share with you during my September setup, as well as what's going to be going on during the fall season while I am offline. So pretty much, of course, I've done flip throughs as well as walkthroughs of my Daytimer portable, which is the perfect size for me to take on the go, have everything with me, as well as I decided to add some new inserts from Paper Penguin Co. And typically I am a 7 ring uh, planner person, and pretty much I don't want to switch back and forth, between binding systems as well as hole punches and all that, blah, blah, blah. So I try to test out the new Tomoe River paper, which is, this one is in cream color, and it's 80 sheets that come to a pack, and it's perfect for just slipping into my agenda, my calendar, so I can make handwritten notes, even if it's for my traveler's notebooks or my journal. But, with the new Tomoe River paper, pretty much I use a Pilot G2 pen most of the time, and the bold pen points are usually enough for me to have that fountain pen, like, flavor or feel, whatever you want to call it. But the pack did come with two cardboard inserts, so I put one in front and then one in back, and I just thought it was a perfect way to, even if I transition this into my traveler's notebook with rings, I decided not to slit the holes, so I don't want them sliding in and out. What I'll do is probably take them physically out and then slice off the holes or add, some washi on the side. So that way, not only can I tape them down in the insert, but I can keep my notes intact. So that is my tip, tool, and artisan admin technique. There's so much versatility when you support small shops in 2021 that are still here. So if you have any questions, of course, list them down below. I'm Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. Until we meet online or face to face again, be blessed.